Welcome back to my channel. Today for 31 days of Halloween, I'm going to be making the Red Devil Burger. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start with some red pepper. I'm going to remove all the seeds. And then I'm going to cut some thin rings. Next up, I'm going to cut up some tomato. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to some red onion. So now I'm going to bring together some veggies and sriracha to make a spicy sriracha mayonnaise. So at this point, I'm going to start cooking off the burger patties. I'm going to add on some plant-based spicy cheese, melt that over there, and then I'm going to bring this burger together. Alright, I got more burgers cooking in the background, so let's go ahead and try out this Red Devil Burger. Wow, that is flavorful. That is incredibly delicious, loaded with flavors, lots of red, perfect for Halloween. You get every profile of this. You get creaminess, you get spicy, you get juicy, you get sweet, you get a little bit of sour, you get tart. This is amazing. This is a really good burger. I definitely recommend you trying out this burger. Definitely recommend you serving this for 31 days of Halloween. Check out some more recipes. Check out some more videos. I'm Jeremiah, your friend with Food Benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.